What's up guys, Mr. Android here. Well, in today's video, let's check out some of the best professional camera applications for your Android device. Well, I have been getting a lot of requests to make a video on this topic. So here are 4 best professional camera applications which will help you to take DSLR-like pictures from your Android device. With that being said, make sure you guys watch this video till the end. Also, the likes target for this video is 800 likes. I know you guys will do it. So drop a like and let's get started. Alright, the first app is called HCam II. Well, if you need a full-fledged camera app which will provide you with all manual controls, then this app is just perfect for you. This app offers you entire manual control and thus helps you to take better pictures with the help of these settings. It has tons of features like DRO capability, HDR along with RAW file support. It also has wide range of resolution customizability for both photos and videos as well. Apart from this, it has all the DSLR controls like exposure bracketing, noise reduction, ISO control, and it also allows you to record 4K videos along with the control on the frame rate. Apart from this, you can also choose various focus modes as well. All in all, it's a very powerful camera application which will help you to take DSLR-like pictures from your device. Definitely try this one out, it is absolutely free in the Play Store. Next up, we have Better Camera. Well, if you don't know much about photography and you are just a beginner, then this app is just perfect for you. It has all the features along with a very simple and easy interface which will help you to take professional DSLR-like photos even if you don't know much about photography. Not only the interface of this app is really simple, but it also offers you all the features like ISO and exposure control with RAW support. It also has various modes like HDR, panorama, night mode, exposure bracketing, burst shot, and even you can select various focus modes as well. So it does offers you all the features along with a very easy and simple interface. Well, if you want to take professional pictures without spending much time to learn, then this app is a must-have for you. Links are in the description. Next up, we have one of my favorite camera application which is called Filmic Pro. Well, this one is not for taking pictures, but it is actually for shooting professional videos from your smartphone. Guys, if you happen to have a YouTube channel or you shoot professional videos, then this app is a must-have application for you. As you can see, the interface of this app is really cool, where you will get all the features like you can change the resolution, control the frame rate, ISO, white balance, and even it allows you to do live color grade while shooting the video itself. Apart from all these manual controls, one thing that I really like about this app is it allows you to set focus and exposure simultaneously without any issue. As you can see, I have these 2 indicators. One is to focus something and the other one is to set exposure. So overall, it's a very good professional camera app which will allow you to shoot professional videos from your smartphone. Guys, it's a paid application which will cost you around 1000 Indian rupees, and I will highly suggest you to download it from the Play Store and support the developer since this app is really good. But in case if you want to have a free version, then I will provide you a direct link in our Telegram group. Finally, we have KodaCam. If you are someone who likes to take pictures with different filters, then this app is just perfect for you. This camera app offers you tons of different real-time filters which you can easily apply even before taking the pictures. Not only the pictures, you can choose colors, gradient, and you can also select dust and light sleek effect as well. Also, the interface of this app is really good, where you can easily apply different effects and take pictures. So overall, it's a great application which will provide you with tons of cool features. Make sure you check it out. So that's pretty much it guys. These are some of the amazing camera applications which you can use to take professional photos from your smartphone. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.